Welcome to the session 48, that is, in that management of technology, we will discuss about manpower issues. In this session, the learning objective is to learning various manpower issues which are involved in the management of the technology. After studying this session, students will be able to understand the management of technology in with the manpower issues. How the manpower issues will affect the technological implementation and their management will be discussed in this session. The technology meaning refers to the, according to G.K. Galbraith, defines technology as a systematic application of scientific or other organized knowledge to practical tasks. So, technology is one of the important determinants of the success of a firm. Technological environment exerts considerable influence on the business through various issues such as organizational issues, manpower issues, leadership issues, operational issues, etc. Issues are discussed in last classes. Now, this class we discuss about manpower issues. First, in the manpower issues, we discuss about organizational technology expertise. This issue refers to the overall technological knowledge of the organization. In addition, it could also refer to how progressive in its nature the organization may be. That is, whether or not this is an institution that has focused resources to enhance technological ability to stay on the cutting edge of the technological developments. Organizational expertise is related to the organizational support, organizational culture, individual technological expertise, individual support, existing systems, and rapidly changing technology, etc., are all coordinatively having impact on organizational technology expertise. Next, individual information technology expertise. The issue of individual information technology expertise speaks to the technological perception of each person within the organization. It is typical for an organization to employ individuals with a very diverse range of information technology competence. It is also typical that some of these individuals will have a willingness and desire to learn more about technology and how to use specific information technology, and others will be quite resistant to adapting to new technologies. This issue is related to training, resistance to change, organizational support, and international internal leadership, etc. issues are came into existence in the individual information technology expertise. Next issue related to manpower issue is skill personnel issues. These are issues related to the management process of human resources. It does not matter how well designed an organization is or how well developed general procedure are if the institution in question does not have the personnel it requires to fully develop, manage, and ultimately use the technology. These issues are purely related to the management process of the human resources, no matter they are designed in an organization or how well developed the general procedures in the organization. But this is one of the most important issue areas and in many cases one that is persistently ignored. Personal issues include resistance to change, fear of technology, training, recruitment, and retention of quality employees. These are all the skill and personnel issues. Next is adequate staffing issues include in one sense this issue is tied to general personnel issues in that it requires the recruitment and training of individuals for technology and support staff position within the organization. More specifically, it deals with the need for enough of these type of employees to make technology implementation feasible and effective and easy. So, adequate staffing is a quantity and quality issues. Here, adequate staffing issues relate to the number of qualified staff is a quality and employee individual technology expertise. Here, individual technology expertise also one of the matter which we consider in making the staffing and recruitment. And recruitment and training are also some issues in this adequate staffing. Proper men will be recruited for operation of the technology in this matter. Next is internal leadership. In this internal leadership, this issue related to the various levels of leadership within the organization with regard to the technology implementation. One of the problem with the technology and workplace is that not everyone is ready or willing to become a part of technologically based workforce. Because in many situations, leadership from managers and co-workers can help to enhance the effective implementation of technology. And managers especially can promote technology development implementation in the organization. By example, internal leadership issues include training, individual expertise, organizational support, personal issues, and resistance to change are the internal leadership issues in the organization as well as management manpower issues. Next is training. This issue is of particular importance regardless of the level of technology currently existing within an organization. As technology became an even greater part of our operations, it has become crucial to make sure that adequate training is provided for all the employees. Lack of training can act as powerful restraint to effective technology implementation and overall organizational success. These training issues include resistance to change, fear of technology, rapidly changing technology, retaining quality employees, decision making, and individual organizational IT expertise. These are all the training matter related issues in the manpower issues. Lastly, the resistance to change. This issue is generally seen as human resource issue. Part of the resistance is inherent in fear, fear of technologies, fear of being displaced by technology, and fear of the unfamiliar, etc. Many individuals, especially those in support staff positions, have a pervasive fear that automation of their particular work process will render them unnecessary to the organization. Even more prominent and predominant in today's organization is the fear of change. Individuals are often put off by the extra work and effort required in learning new technology software or a whole new operating system. Resistance to change includes training, individual expertise, standardization, existing systems, and individual and organizational leaderships are the matters in resistance to change issues. Here, these factors of manpower issues are has tremendous impact on management of the organization that lead to the challenges faced by the organization when planning to introduce or manage technological advancement of the organization. If not properly adhered to by management, thus employees for fear of losing their job may react to such change. An in-depth understanding of the specific issues related to technological change and its implementation is essential for the establishment of appropriate principles and effective approaches with regard to the management of technological system in the organization. Each individual issue is important in its own context as well as producing multiple impact which affect the organization and implementation of new technology within it. or within the organization. Subsequently, the effective management of technologies across the broad can only take place when a more comprehensive understanding of the myriad issues is achieved. Technology can be made to work effectively, economically, and in the end, deliver the expected benefits of these technologies are very important. These issues surround the cost to benefit ratios of specific technological change and were usually earmarked for singular applications or projects. While these issues are certainly very important, they are not all the technological advancement needed for implementation. The bottom line remains that if you are unsure of what you want to do and why you are doing it, then it really does not matter how you accomplish it. Because in the end, you will end up disappointed or dissatisfied or both, and challenges begin to creep in either from management or employees. The development of future technological change implementation need to take into account not just the how issue but the what and why issue that impact. And the main intention is to the implementation process across the organization is very important. So these are all the issues within within the organization with the implementation of technology as well as resistance to change issues. So finally we can conclude that these are all issues having major impact on technology implementation as well as in the management of technology. So these manpower issues include organization technology expertise, individual information technology expertise, and skill personnel issues, adequate staffing, internal leadership, training, and lastly, resistance to change. These are all the manpower issues included in the management of the technology. Either they may have positive impact or negative impact, but each and every aspect have to be considered while management of the technology as well as in implementation of the technology, and their impact have to be observed properly with care before implementing any technology, because they may create disappointment or dissatisfaction or both, which will came into the existence of technology, or some certain challenges begin to creep in either from management or employees. So these are all the issues involved in the management of technology. So these issues are clearly carefully analyzed before into their implementation. Here, what, when, why, how, these are all decided properly with the proper plan. Then only it is possible to implement the technology, or otherwise it may create future problems as well as failure of whole system in an organization is possible. So they may not create positive impact or either negative impact. So each aspect have to be analyzed carefully. Then only it is possible to manage the technology effectively. These are all the issues involved in management of technology.